Hey Blooms! Welcome back again to this channel, and for today's reaction video, we're going to listen to the newest album of BINI, which is the Flames album, and na-release na rin yung official lyric video ng Infinity, Katabi, and Bikini. And the others, we already watched it, and nakapag-react na rin ako, some of it. So, let's focus on the 3 newest songs ng BINI. Wait! Walang lyric video yung Sweet Tooth? May I check first? Pero napanood ko na yung MV ng Sweet Tooth. So, I guess that's it. Okay. So, sige. Deserve ng Sweet Tooth ang solo reaction. So, for this video, let's hear it. The Infinity, Katabi, and Bikini ng BINI. Ay, rhyme yun. So, I'm so excited to hear this. And, of course, yung lyrics ng mga kantang to. Let's do it. Let's do it. So excited for this. First, Infinity. Ilang beses ko itong pinakinggan, and the first time na narinig ko siya, grabe emosyon. Hindi ko alam, pero parang may naghihiwa ng onions. Maiiyak ko talaga eh. So grabe yung message ng kantang to. Let's go, Infinity. Let's go, Infinity. Let's go, Gwen. Oh.
Sa ating bawat paghinga,
I like your voice.
Sa bawat pagpatak ng luha,
wow, palit.
Sumisibo lang pangarap, ay malilimutan ang nakaraan. Kahit hindi maging madali, ko'y naririto sa iyong tabi.
Wow, Stacy.
Ang bawat araw ay malalagpasan.
Alright, Mika.
Bitawan ba ng mundo? Isipan may magulo. Nagkaroon ng pangarap na magkakasamang nabuo. Ilalaban
Oh, goosebumps. I like that. BINI?
Magbago man. Kahit pa ulit-ulit, ulit-ulit, kahit pa ulit-ulit, ulit-ulit, kahit pa ulit-ulit, ikaw at ikaw lang ang dahilan. Paulit-ulit babalikan. Kung ibabalik man ako sa ating nakaraan, ay di matatakot na babalik-balikan. Lahat ng pagod na pinagdaanan, kung kapalit ng lahat ay kasiyahan.
Yeah.
Di may paliwanag bakit ikaw ang pipiliin ko. Kahit mahirap man, basta't laging dyan sa iyong tabi. Bitawan man ang mundo, isipan may magulo. Nagkaroon ng pangarap na magkakasamang nabuo. Ilalaban hanggang dulo, pangako na subukin man.
I love the lyrics.
Magbago man. Kahit hindi maging madali, ko'y naririto sa iyong tabi. Ang bawat araw ay malalagpasan. Kahit di maging madali, mananatili bawat sandali. Walang hanggan na pagsasama. Bitawan man ang mundo, isipan may magulo. Nagkaroon ng pangarap na magkakasamang nabuo.
Ang ganda!
Kahit na paulit-ulit.
Let's all clap on this part. Grabe.
Ikaw at ikaw nang ang dahilan, paulit-ulit
Wow.
babalikan.
Who's cutting onions? Who's cutting onions? Bakit naman ganyan? Damang-dama. Yan yung mga kantahan nila eh. As in, damang-dama mo, tagos sa puso yung message eh. Ay nako, that's why we love Beanie. Because of this kind of message sa songs nila. Is cutting onions. And yung part na yun, grabe! I cannot wait to hear it live. In Beanified. On Beanified. Blooms! Let's all clap on that part. Grabe, sobrang goosebumps. And buong PH Arena gagawin yun. Ay! Grabe! So, that's for Infinity. Whew! Grabe, I love that song. So, let's go to Katabi. Sobrang ganda ng kanta nila, promise. Oh my gosh. So, let's move on sa Katabi. Whew! Pero parang hindi pa ako nakamove on sa Infinity. But let's go! We need to move forward para matapos tayo dito. Let's go and hear it. Katabi. Nung pinapakinggan ko to kagabi, parang gusto kong magbasa ng AU. Grabe.
I know that you'll be come around soon.
Si Stacy pala yun.
Reminiscing about the way we met that day.
Can open her again.
All the butterflies, fireworks, till stars align. Watch our love bloom.
Ah, yeah. I love your part.
Yakap-yakap aking ulan, di kita malilimutan. You belong with me sa bawat sandali.
That deep voice.
I can't wait to see you again.
Right, yo.
Kita makita, mayakap, malambing.
I love that.
It
I love
feels
that.
like I'm missing a piece. Huwag nang umalis. Gustong katabi. Stay with me instead. Got me living in a daydream.
Grabe
Got me
yearning
going
dito, ah.
crazy. You know I miss my baby. Need you on a daily. Come and let's be lazy. Don't need to serenade me. Yakap-yakap aking ulan, di kita malilimutan. You belong with me. You belong with me.
Sobrang bagay kay Aya yun, ah.
I can't wait to see you again. Gusto kita makita, mayakap, malambing. It feels like I'm missing a piece. Huwag nang umalis. Gustong katabi. Stay with me instead. Walang ibang makakapantay. Pag-ibig niya pang habang buhay.
Right. Pag makulit talaga yun.
O kailan magkakasama ulit. I can't wait to see you again. Gusto kita makita, mayakap, malapit. It feels like I'm missing a piece. Huwag nang umalis. Sana'y katabi. I mean what I said. Basta't katabi. It's us till the end.
Wow.
Gustong
Gwen's.
katabi. Stay with
Mick Gwen,
me
Mick Gwen.
instead.
Grabe naman yung katabi na yan. Grabe yung yearning, ah. Miss na miss. So, yung part na gusto itang makita, mayakap, malambing. Dahil, sorry po. Grabe. Ang ganda talaga. Ang ganda ng lahat. I love that. Sobrang bagay sa AU. Saang AU? Gawa kayo, Blooms. Na another AU for this. My gosh. So, kahit ayaw pa natin mag-move on sa Infinity at katabi, but I am so excited sa bikini. Alam niyo yun? Halo-halong emotion. Tapos, bigla tayong pa-party sa bikini, di ba? And grabe, ang lupit mag-explore ng BINI. Sa music nila, sobrang nakakatuwa. I love all of it. So, matapos nating umiyak. Ay, kala mo naman talaga umiyak, pero naluluha ako sa Infinity, ah. Kaya ilang beses ko na siyang napakinggan. And then sa katabi, parang may gusto kang makatabi. May miss na miss ka sa kantang yun. So, after natin maramdaman yung mga ganong emotion, let's go party here sa bikini. Ay, go. Let's go, bikini! Ready na kayo? Kailangan muna natin mag-move on. Okay, let's go na.
I step
Hey!
in my new bikini, heads turning when they see me, keeping it ocean breezy.
That beat?
Might wanna be
My
me, see me,
gosh.
come over here and see me
Right.
strut in my new bikini. Yeah, 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 yeah. I ain't skipping meals, yeah, I came an egg. I don't leave no crumbs, yeah, lick the plate. These curves make him hurt, hurt, hurt. I'm worth all the work, work, work. I know what I serve, serve, serve.
Yeah, you know what you serve, Stacey?
I step out in my new bikini, heads turn when they see me, keeping it ocean breezy. Yeah, 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 yeah. Might wanna be me, come over here and see me strut in my new bikini.
Bikini enjoyer na.
Just like that, just like that, you like that. I step out in my new bikini, heads turn when they see me, keeping it ocean breezy. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh my God, look at what I got, make a real player wanna stay faithful. You can go talk whatever you want, but it ain't you being so hateful. 'Cause these curves make him hurt,
Like
hurt,
that.
hurt. I'm worth all the work, work, work. I know what I serve, serve, serve. It's gonna keep you full all day. I step out in my new
Hey.
bikini, heads turning when they see me, keeping it ocean breezy. Yeah, yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
excited?
Might wanna be me, come over
Pumarty?
here and see me strut in my new bikini. Yeah, 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 it's like that, just like that, just like that. You like that?
Boy, boy, let's go for a swim. Never been this deep, we'll dive right in. See, boy, love on the skin.
Grabe party, Stacey, sa mga kantang ko, ah.
I step out in my new bikini, heads turning when they see me, keeping it ocean breezy. Might wanna be me, come over here and see me strut in my new bikini. It's like that, just like that, just like that. You like that? I step out in my new bikini, heads turning when they see me, keeping it ocean breezy. Yeah, 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 yeah.
What? Bitin. Bitin kami dun. I think, kung aangal ako sa album na to, bitin yung bikini. So, oh my gosh. I love all of their song to play to this album. Grabe. That's so crazy. That's so crazy. So, if you enjoy it, Blooms, what are your thoughts? Sana makamove on ako, pero simula kagabi yung playlist ko, flames lang talaga eh. So, wag niyo na akong tanungin kung paano ko i-rank yung mga kantang to kasi hindi ako makapili kung ano yung top 1 ko. it's a crime to ask me to rank this songs. So, wow, congratulations, Beanie. That was so great. And we are all excited to watch it live sa Beanified, of course. So, dahil hindi ako mapag-rank, you guys, Blooms, tell me, what's your favorite? And thank you for watching this video. See you on my next reaction video. Bye!